Hi everyone, thanks for being here. For anyone new, this is the last part of our 3-part series on hair fall and how to remedy the problem with diet. In the last 2 parts, we understood the importance of protein, biotin and zinc in avoiding hair loss or hair fall. Watch the previous videos here if you have not watched them yet. This week's focus is on iron and its importance in hair health. Body requires iron to produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body, including hair cells. Hence, iron is essential for the growth and repair of the hair cells. Iron deficiency can also cause a number of other health problems in addition to hair loss. There can be many reasons for iron loss or deficiency, and it is important to consume enough iron through diet for optimal health. Food and Nutrition Board of the US Department of Health recommends 8 milligrams of iron per day for men over 18 years and 18 milligrams per day for women. For pregnant women, the required iron is around 27 milligrams per day. Women should especially make sure they get enough iron to compensate for their menstrual blood loss and other needs. This week, we crafted recipes that are rich in protein and iron, and they can very likely become your favorite food. Our first recipe is boiled and roasted mung beans. Like any other lentils, this is the optimal way of getting your protein, carbs, fiber and the best micronutrient profile. Having this as a breakfast will keep you energetic and full for a good part of the day. If you are wishing for maximum productivity days, this can be one of your go-to breakfasts. Our recipe for lunch is Gongura Chicken curry. This protein-rich recipe can fix most of your mineral deficiencies and can be very useful for easy iron remediation. The taste is quite addictive by itself, and this is highly recommended for women after pregnancy. Our snack recipe today is soy chunks pakodi. Solid iron and protein as promised. In addition, there's the rich micronutrient profile and high fiber that makes it one of the healthiest snacks. And a fair warning, it's really hard to stop munching on this. Usual warning with any mineral supplementation. Don't overdo it and consult a doctor when considering supplementation. Too much iron can cause liver and heart problems and can be lethal.